Are you ready to update your bathroom fittings, but you're not quite sure how to actually update them yourself? Well, today we're going to show you step by step how to fit a basin waist. Whether you're putting in a brand new bathroom or fancy changing up your chrome fittings to something super on trend like brushed brass, while it may depend what type of waist you're fitting, how to do it, our most popular basin waists are the push button, so that's what we'll be focusing on today. Step 1. Prepare the basin. Place the basin upside down, ideally on a soft surface to avoid it being scratched or damaged. This will reveal the waist hole on the basin. Step 2. Apply plumber's tape or putty. You can either press some plumber's putty around the lip of the basin waist hole to protect the basin, or apply plumber's tape to do the same. Please note, the tape also ensures a watertight seal. Most waists are sealed using a poly washer and nut, but the tape is an additional safeguard against leaking. Step 3. Insert waist outlet. Insert the waist into the waist outlet, ensuring that the rubber washer or gasket provided with it is also in place to create a seal between the waist and basin. If you've used plumber's putty, then this should come into contact with the waist, forming a protective layer between it and the china. Step 4. Fit the poly washer and nut. From underneath the basin, secure the waist in place using the poly washer and nut provided. Tighten the nut and then use an adjustable wrench to secure this further if needed. Be careful not to over tighten it, however, as this could damage the basin. Step 5. Attach the trap. Next, connect the trap to the waist outlet. The trap is the curved section of pipe which prevents sewer gases from entering the room and most simply screw onto the waist outlet. Take care to ensure that all connections are tight. Step 6. Check for leaks. Once everything is connected, turn on the water and check for any leaks around the waist outlet and trap, tightening the connections if any occur. Step 7. Final adjustments. Adjust the position of the trap and pipework as needed to ensure proper drainage and alignment with existing plumbing. If you need a new waist for your basin, then we have a great selection available at Bath Shack, including a variety of finishes such as brushed brass, black, chrome and white. Whether you're looking for a slotted waist, bottle trap or anything else, we're sure to have exactly what you need at bathshack.com. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more bathroom tips and advice. Shop luxury for less at bathshack.com.